This is emanating from the speaker in Starliner. You don't notice anything else, any other noises, any other weird configs in there?
Doesn't this remind you of one of those movies, right? And there's a lot of them where all of a sudden the astronauts are in space and weird noises start happening. And not too long from those noises happening, they get invaded by aliens. Sorry, obviously I really hope that nothing happens. Weird sonar noises that they don't know where they're coming from. Well, they know, but of course, nothing's ever going to be said or told, or maybe things will change now that the whole UFO and alien information is coming out to light, right? Let's hope that the Starliner doesn't come back with some weird species attached to the bottom of it that all of a sudden later, starts invading our planet. Oh God, movie's coming true, yeah.